Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square Online to sell products and services step by step clearly. To activate Square Online and start selling products and services, first, visit the Square website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create a Square account, or log in if you already have one. If you need to create an account, enter your email address, create a password, and provide your business name. Fill in all required fields, including your business address and phone number. After completing the account setup, you will be taken to the Square dashboard. Here, find the Online tab in the main menu and click on it. You will see an option to set up Square Online. Select the Get Started button under this option. Next, choose the type of products or services you wish to sell. You can select from physical goods, digital goods, or services based on your business model. Once you make your selection, follow the prompts to customize your store's appearance. This includes choosing a theme, adding your logo, and adjusting colors. After customizing your store, move to the Product Setup section. Click on Add Product to start listing your items for sale. For each product, upload high-quality images, add descriptions, and set prices. Be sure to include inventory information if applicable. When all products are listed, review and finalize your store settings. Next, set up your payment preferences under the Payments section. Choose how you want to receive payments, either online or in person. After configuring payment settings, navigate to the Shipping section if you are selling physical products. Set your shipping options and rates based on your business needs. Once everything is set, click on the Publish button to make your store live. Share your new online store link with customers to start selling immediately. Check your Square dashboard for sales and customer interactions as they come in. With these steps completed, you are now ready to sell products and services using Square Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.